Daniel, since I was a little girl, I've always dreamed of being a princess and marrying my Prince Charming. I've dreamed of the adventures we would go on, the home we would build together, and the infinite love we would share. I thought that when I met my true love, it would be love at first sight across a ballroom, not the East Quad dining hall. Daniel, my love, I have to admit something to you. It's not the coffees or the treats that bring me true joy. It's the boy standing behind them. It's the love in your eyes and the excitement in your smile. It's the care that comes by learning me, knowing me, and accepting me for who I am. You are my true joy. I've always dreamed of my Prince Charming, and with you, I received more than a fairy tale. With you, I found my soulmate. I promise to always make time for us, even when the world feels like it's moving faster than we are. I always promise to take care of you and to prioritize you, even when our muscles start to ache and our hair begins to gray. You look at me like I'm your world, and I vow that every day I breathe, I will do my best to make that world wonderful.
When we first met, we were two kids sat across the dining hall table in our first month of college. Right away, I could see you were the most beautiful girl I'd ever laid eyes on. You drew me in with your lighthearted humor and your interest in topics I never would have expected, like playing Skyrim and learning the most obscure football rules. And more so than anyone I had ever met, you were passionate about your hobbies and your storytelling and for those that you loved. In this moment, I have never been more certain that you are not only my love, my adventure buddy, and my partner, you are my soulmate. You make my entire world brighter. You bring a spark of spontaneity to my life that makes me whole. You encourage me to spread my wings and try new things when I otherwise wouldn't. You are the calm and reassurance that keeps me grounded. I cannot wait to marry you because of the amazing relationship I know we already have and because of the excitement I have for what I don't yet know to come. I vow to be the most caring and loyal husband to you, always protecting you, putting you first, and cherishing the special soul that you are. And when we start a family, I vow to give everything into being the best father to our children. Because if there is one thing I've known about you from the beginning, it's that you're going to make the most amazing mother. Abby, thank you for making my dreams come true. You are my North Star, and I love you forever.
She's been the person who I, and likely many of you, have opened up to at one time or another for a vent, a piece of advice, or just some kindness and empathy. And that's because we know that Abby doesn't judge us. She cares about us, and she takes pride in being there for the people that matter to her. So with that, I'll ask everyone in the room who agrees with that to join me in a toast to the bride, the groom, and the wonderful life they're gonna build together. Cheers, guys.
She is always kind to the people around her. She is a leader, one who is confident and who has integrity. She is generous and compassionate, and as we see today, she still wears pretty gowns. Abigail, the amount of people here today make it apparent how loved and respected you are. You are the popular girl who's actually popular because everyone wants to be your friend. And just like your namesake, you are a source of joy, lighting up every room you enter.
You've always been so compassionate and giving, and always listening and trying to do more for others, helping make sure everyone feels valued and is invited. One of the hardest things you chose was to help me help Dad. He was and is very proud of his kind, smart, and beautiful Abigail. I hope everyone here can share a love story so well matched as Abigail and Daniel.
Special girl who captured his heart. Thank you for the happiness you brought into his life. Thank you for loving him with all your heart and helping all his dreams come true.
Today is just the beginning of your lifetime memories that you will cherish forever. May your love continue to grow. May you find happiness and joy in each other always. Please raise your glasses to the happy couple, Abby and Daniel. Cheers.
pronounce them to be husband and wife. Daniel, you may now kiss the bride.